excited to eat.
Back home, look at my plantain, my salad. Oh my gosh, my mother would be so proud. This looks beautiful. Look at the colors.
She's talking about my jerk chicken.
Oh my goodness. Okay, go so I can eat.
Okay, so now, so I usually do an epilogue before and after, but
Yeah.
this response is the epilogue. So guys, I want to introduce my two friends. Now you was telling me a quick story about, and I told you to hold it. Do you think you can remember anything? Just talk like you was before.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna leave it to him because it was all his doing, trying to set this up for me.
Yeah.
Well, we were vacationing here in Cabarete actually. About 4 years ago?
Yep.
3 years ago? And I had heard about you, obviously.
Okay.
To be honest, I'm a big, I research everything I do.
Wow, nice.
So I research everything I do. So I research wherever I'm going to eat, where we're going to stay, what
That's
we're going to do. So you came up quite a few times. And it wasn't the fact that it was your, that
Review?
you came up like a review, it was actually what they said in the reviews.
Right.
You know, and
What they,
almost-
it's not that I came on number one, it's what they said actually.
It's what they said. It's what, yeah, it wasn't because you're number one. Because
Right.
you can't believe the number one spot just
Exactly.
because. You have to read what they say. So what they said was always that they felt they put your love in your food,
That's
in your
correct.
cooking.
That is
So
true.
that was cool. I'm a big cook myself, so I have to find that same thing. So, the
So
love and
fast
passion.
forward,
Yeah.
we come back, and the first thing he looks up is Mosha's, and we
Yes.
come the other night, and we parked on the opposite side, and we looked on the beach, but Mosha's wasn't there.
Right.
And I thought, no word of lie, this is the quote, I said, Jamaicans, they never open when they say they're open. And I left. We left.
Yeah.
That's funny, huh?
So today we just came back just to
I was
see
like-
what Sosua was about.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, there it is.
And you
Popped
found
up.
me.
We found you.
You was supposed to find me.
And so I take it back, Jamaica. You're always open.
Thank you,
With
baby.
open arms.
No, so I see the love, baby. And these folks are from Canada, and they sat there patiently waiting for my food. And when I
And it
put-
was worth it. It was worth it.
when I bring the food out, she was sitting. She was in the bathroom, and look at
I
her.
was in the bathroom.
And then his came out. Both came out. And when she walked around to the food, the first part of the video, you catch her what she was saying. And I grabbed my camera right away because I usually have an epilogue. And I am so happy. What's your name, baby?
So I'm Shar.
Shar.
And this is my husband,
Your
Michael.
husband is-
Michael.
Michael, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you, Moshe.
And I'm glad you guys found me. And just spread the word. And because my food is real.
Yes.
I cook authentic food. And I was the first Jamaican restaurant on this island. Some people say, you should say Sosua, but I know because when I came here, there was no other Jamaican restaurant.
Okay.
In
Okay.
2011.
Okay.
So I came here, didn't even speak the language, and now I set the stage. And then everybody asks me, why did you leave America? They think that I must have done some great crime. I'm like, I'm a leader. I'm a leader because now everybody's following me.
Yep.
Yep,
We're
everybody knows.
finding you. We're
Yes,
finding you.
yes. So enjoy your meal, guys.
Thank you.
God bless you for finding me. And this is what she had. She's talking about the colors, the jerk chicken,
The plantains.
the salad,
Rice
which
and
is
peas.
cabbage, rice and peas. How about the flavor? How did you like it?
How it should be.
How it should be.
How it
said.
should be.
My mother would be jealous.
Wow, where originally are you from?
Dominica.
Dominica, so she knows flavor,
Mm-hmm.
and that's why I was so excited. I couldn't even do an epilogue. Guys, thank you. God bless you. Have a good one. And folks, remember what I said.